How many times have you heard the word finance? Your parents, your friends, your teachers at school. You've probably heard it in many different situations. You know it has to do with money. But have you ever stopped to think about what finance really is? Today, we'll explain it to you in a clear and simple way. Get ready to understand what finance is, how it's divided, and why it's important in all our lives. By definition, finance is a part of economics that focuses on the study of obtaining, managing, saving, and investing money and capital, or what we call financial resources. In simple terms, finance is about how we get money, how we use it, and how we make it grow. It's not just relevant for businesses or governments, but for each and every one of us. Divisions of finance. Finance is divided into three main areas. Public finance. This focuses on the economic activity of the public sector, meaning the government. It includes all the assets, income, and debts that are part of the government's holdings. Its main purpose is to manage public resources to meet society's needs. Governments obtain these resources through taxes, fees, and other established legal procedures. Business finance. Also known as corporate finance, this area focuses on the financial decisions that companies make. Its goal is to manage economic resources in a way that benefits the company. This includes analyzing investments, managing costs, and looking for ways to maximize profits. Personal finance. This is the type of finance that directly affects each individual. It relates to people's ability to save, invest, and manage their income and expenses. For example, deciding how to use your salary, if you'll save for an emergency, or invest in something that will generate a return in the future. Importance of finance. The area of finance covers everything from how we earn income to how we manage changes in the value of money over time. On a personal, business, and public level, finance helps us answer key questions like, how can we maintain a balance between income and expenses? What decisions will help us achieve our financial goals? What strategies can we implement to grow our resources? Finance not only helps us manage our money, but also to make more informed and responsible decisions about it. Conclusion. Now that you know what finance is, you can understand why it's so important in our daily lives. Every time you hear someone talking about finance, remember that they are talking about how to manage monetary resources to maximize their usefulness. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who wants to learn more about the fascinating world of finance. See you next time.